Artificial intelligence offers tremendous potential for manufacturing companies by making production more efficient and safe. Cognitiwe helps manufacturers to obtain actionable insights and reports and enhance production processes using advanced computer vision models integrated with the cloud. With Predictive Vision AI platform, Cognitiwe provides inline quality control, stock monitoring, and health and safety monitoring for manufacturers with real-time and predictive analysis. Cognitiwe products protect manufacturers from unexpected costs caused by lack of quality and prevent production disruptions due to raw material shortages. Cognitiwe AI for manufacturing can monitor the entire workplace from any existing IP cameras and ensure the workforce complies with relevant H&S measures like using PPE and follows all safety procedures by complying with GDPR. Furthermore, the Predictive Vision AI alerts incidents, near misses, and hazardous situations even before they occur. Gain insight with Cognitiwe.